Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, we will be discussing if you are planning to study in Germany. So you should be knowing this 7 important things before that. So that will save your time as well as money during your preparation towards reaching Germany and doing your masters or bachelors actually. Okay. So if you are coming first time to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because there will be a lot of videos which is related to part-time work, how to get admission in Germany, and how to get the job, and everything will be discussing in detail in a very clear and systematic way, which will be very useful if you know beforehand coming to Germany. Okay, so and also check the video description. In the description I have provided the important links which are useful for your German trip. Okay, so now let's start. What are the important 7 things you should be knowing before starting your studying in Germany? Okay, so if you have a plan, the first thing you have to do is start early. Okay, why I am saying start early is that there should be some time is needed to find the appropriate university, which course you like, and there are a lot of documents you have to prepare for a German university, because you know Germans are known for their data management. They want everything has to be proper order actually. Okay, so they need all the files and all those kind of things that I will be explaining this video. And first thing is start early, because 1 year before at least you have to start your preparation for before going to Germany. So why 1 year before actually? And next below the start early you can see dat.de. That second step you have to do, you have to go to that particular site dat.de. So all the German courses in most of the good universities actually, I can say there are a lot of private universities also there. Some are listed in there, but mostly public universities. Public universities nothing but funded by government, and there will be no fees or less fees or something. Okay, so in that site you can see what are the courses suitable for you. Suppose if you are a mechanical engineer, if you search with mechanical engineer suitable masters or bachelor's courses, you will be seeing automobile. Lot of items will be there, like manufacturing, yeah, production engineering or material science, many renewable energy, all those kind of courses are there. So you can see and find what course suitable for which course is suitable for you. Okay, like that computer science, electronics, there are a lot of courses available according to it's a simple drop down thing. You can see that in the coming videos I will be explaining how to search your university from dat.de. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. So that is one thing. Find your suitable course. And another thing is that I have mentioned is LOM. LOM means letter of motivation, or SOP also we can say that actually. In Germany, not just your grades matter. There is one, I can see that the most important thing we can say see sometimes it is the letter of motivation, your motivation to study that particular course actually. If the German authorities German institutions or universities particularly look for how suitable you are for that course actually. So it's all about how you write your letter of motivation. Okay, so that also I will be explaining in coming videos. So you need a proper letter of motivation. Another thing is a work experience. Most of the master's courses are they are asking for some experience actually. So if you have minimum 1 or 2 experience, that is very good. If more than that also, that is a added advantage actually. So they can see that okay, they have already got a good experience, and after the course also Germany need a lot of skilled professionals. So that will be an advantage when they look into your profile actually. Okay, so work experience. And another important thing I have mentioned is that that is certificates you should need to apply with your university before starting your preparation, because most of the German universities ask for the transcript actually. Okay, and another thing is a degree certificate and percentage certificate. There are a lot of other kind of certificates you will be getting from the university, individual mark sheets and everything. So make sure you get that thing as fast as possible, because in universities it take quite a lot of time. So I'm from Kerala, so it took me for a lot of time to get these certificates actually. Okay, so these are certificates are mandatory because you will be applying for these universities mostly online. So there is a portal also for universities mentioned, that will be in the coming videos. And for there you have to upload these certificates, scan copy. Sometimes they will ask to send the copies actually with a notarized copies they needed. Some of the universities mention, some not mentions actually. Okay, so you will be ready to get the notarized copies also. That is also one requirement. Okay, So I will explain in detail once more. Before that, there are two more important things. One is check for scholarships. Actually, most of the courses are free if you are getting into a public university, and it is not so easy to get into a public university because the competition is very higher. Because a lot of Indians and other countries people are also applying for this thing. So you have to make a strong profile that actually. So you will be getting a free education, but it's not actually free. I think around 400 500 euros a minimum thing they have charges per 6 months in per semester. So as per now 80 rupees per 1 euro or something is going on. So around 40,000 rupees per 6 months you have to pay. That is a very nominal, but if you go to private universities you can pay 4 5 lakhs and all. So that is a different story. Okay, so that is one thing, but you need a blocked account of around 10,332 euros. It's almost like 9 lakhs or something. So that is a mandatory if you want to get the visa. When you go for visa, applying for visa, you have to submit that this much blocked account in my bank account, around 9 lakhs or something will be there. And German authorities, what they do, they will divide it into 12 months and you'll be getting 861 euros per month. So you don't have to worry about running out of money during that time. But if you are going to public or private, you should produce around the blocked account certificate with expatrio and all. So I'll share the link of that particular thing, so you can come to know like what are the formalities for that stuff actually. And do check for scholarships before you going there. If you find some good scholarship which matches for you, do apply for that. So they will pay you monthly some euros and all. That will be quite a like good handsome amount, I can say that. So if you are definitely you should check for the scholarships actually. And there's a small thing you can see, the money is very important. So if you are next year you are going to going for studies, start arranging money actually. So you need around, I told you, minimum 10 to 12 lakhs. If you are public or private, you need it actually for the blocked account and the ticket booking, all the other purchases, and a lot of steps will be going on like booking the accommodation. So 10 to 12 lakhs you make sure it will be with you. Okay, and there are other options you can arrange by yourself. Or other thing is getting education loan from different banks, and be careful like how much interest they are charging. Some banks will provide you very quickly the loan, but the problem is that the interest rate will be higher. That kind of stuff, obviously you are a graduate, you should be understanding that thing. Okay, so once more I will tell that explain in a quick way. One is start early, start getting your certificates and everything from your university, as well as going to the dad.de, finding the course suitable for you and making a strong motivation letter. And work experience also very important, and money is a very important part, you should arrange it. Another thing, I you have to make one more bonus tip I will take. The curriculum with your CV has to be very strong. So you should make a proper CV. So because every application they ask for your curriculum vitae, and in curriculum vitae one of the important points you have to consider that whenever you apply in the curriculum vitae, it has to be a continuation should be there. There won't be any gaps actually. So after your education, there is, suppose it was a 2 years gap, don't just show as a gap. You can show that you are studying or work, like doing something, working or some certificates, or with the proper certificate you have to mention like that there is no gaps, you are work like doing things in a proper order actually. Because the seeing gaps is not a good thing, they particularly look for that. So that you have to be very careful. Okay, and how to make a proper CV I'll explain you in my coming videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please like it, as well as share to your friends, which will be very useful. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.